Mary Poppins.
You got anything in that bag for me, Mary?
Cock, a bird, a manly bird. Muff, a place I want my hands. Flange, a flat, projecting rim. Rim, projecting from my flange. Spunk, to show a lot of guts. Balls, to play with in the park. Tit, a bird that nibbles nuts. That will bring us back to cock. Ready, gentlemen? A manly bird.
Muff.
A place I want my hands.
Flange.
A flat, projecting rim.
Rim.
Projecting from my flange.
Spike.
To show a lot of guts.
Ball.
To play within the park.
Tit.
A bird that nibbles nuts. That will bring us back to cock.
Copper, flange, rim, punctual music.
Well done.